Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show how my cloud sensing application works. First of all, we have to start the local broker, then we start the local Node.js server hosting the API, and we will start ngrok to tunnel the local API to expose it from a secure endpoint. Then we can download the web app from GitHub Pages, and the app has an input text to provide the ngrok tunnel address so that we don't have to manually change the code each time. We can see from the video that I'm going to insert the link highlighted with the red line. Once we have inserted the tunnel address and no error shows, this means that we have inserted a valid address and the host is reachable. And then the start, stop and clear button became clickable, and here is an example of the application working. For an example outdoor, just watch the video till the end. The table is a scrollable table and provides the history of the collected data plus the classified action. Now we start a dump remote classifier, and we deselect the edge option from the web application, and we start the same experiment but using the cloud classifier. We observe that it works quite well, but there is some delay in the transmission of the classification information, of course. So here we are going to examine the AWS IoT Core test page, and we see in the first part all the messages exchanged when the cloud classifier is selected, while in the last part we see all the messages exchanged when the edge classifier is selected.